Hi there. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV, the channel where learning English becomes simple, practical, and fun. Today, we're introducing an exciting way to improve your vocabulary and reinforce what you've learned: Flashback Fridays. Flashback Fridays are all about reviewing and practicing vocabulary you've already learned. Revisiting past lessons is one of the most effective ways to make words stick in your memory. By the end of this video, you'll have fun and practical tips to review vocabulary and keep making progress in English. Let's get started. Step 1. Why review vocabulary? Reviewing helps you move words from short-term memory to long-term memory. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes to use these words in real-life conversations. Think of it as polishing skills you already have. Step 2. Choose 10 words or phrases. Pick 10 words or phrases from past lessons that you want to review. For example, amazing, confident, challenge, improve, quickly. Write them down or make flashcards to help you focus on each one. Step 3. Practice using the words. Here are a few fun ways to practice. Create sentences. Use each word in a sentence. For example, I want to improve my English quickly. Word associations. Think of synonyms, antonyms, or related words. For example, for amazing, you could add wonderful or incredible. Mini stories. Write a short story or paragraph using as many of the words as you can. Step 4. Test yourself. Quiz yourself or ask a friend to test you. Cover the word and try to remember its meaning. Say the word out loud and use it in a sentence. Repetition is key. Step 5. Keep it fun. Make reviewing enjoyable by turning it into a game. For example, guess the word. Describe a word without saying it and see if someone can guess it. Vocabulary bingo. Write down your 10 words and mark them off as you use them in a conversation or a story. Quick recap. Flashback Fridays are a great way to review and reinforce vocabulary. Pick 10 words or phrases from past lessons to practice. Use them in sentences, stories, or word associations to make them stick. Test yourself regularly to build confidence and memory. Keep it fun with games like Guess the Word or Vocabulary Bingo. Reviewing vocabulary doesn't have to be boring. With a little creativity and consistency, Flashback Fridays can help you strengthen your skills and feel more confident using English every day. If this video has been helpful, we'd love your support. Give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV for more practical and fun English lessons like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.